Make your regular email address more private and secure, which will help you protect your identity and prevent spam emails from filling your inbox. DuckDuckGo email addresses forward email to your regular inbox while at the same time filtering and removing trackers, increasing security and your online privacy. Creating a Duck email is simple. All you need is to sign up and create your account and start using it. If you're using Chrome browser, you have to install a plugin. If you're using DuckDuckGo browser, then you can start using it right away. To sign up, go to duck.com/email. Create a duck.com email and give your regular email to which you want to receive the emails. Note that you can change the forwarding address at any time. That means you can keep your Duck address and simply have the emails forwarded to a different account if needed. In addition, you can use a randomly generated email address to receive emails in your inbox. These random addresses can be used if you don't trust a website or want to keep yourself from spam. You can delete the random emails if you feel like they are no longer necessary. That is the easiest way to get rid of the annoying spam emails. Wish you all the best and hope to see you again. Salam.